Today I'm gonna cook just a simple, it's a mushroom gravy. So what shall I prepare is the garlic. I just chopped the garlic and also the sweet onion. And I have this pork gravy. You can buy this in Safeways or any department store, or you can use the chicken gravy. And then I have the salt, and then I have the ground pepper. So the first thing I need to do is I need to turn on the pan. Need to put oil. Next, I need to put the sweet onion. Okay, after that I need to put after the onion, sweet onion, and then I mix it. So I need to wait the mushroom will be softened before I put the pork gravy powder, and I need to mix that with water. So pork gravy, I open it. Then I need to mix with water. Then I put more water. And this time it's ready to put in a pan. So it's boiling now. So we will wait until the gravy will be thicker. Salt a little bit. That's my chicken over there. And then pepper, ground pepper. Depends upon you if you like spicy. This is done, so I just turn on the low heat to low, because I'm waiting for our chicken. See, this is really yummy. Mushroom gravy. Charity and Bryce and me and Kind loves mushrooms.